Hey y'all, Elissa here, your friendly neighborhood mattress reviewer at Mattress Clarity, and we've got Freddie the Corgi. Today I am testing out the viral Plufl dog bed for humans. As you can see, Freddie loves it, and I love it too. It is surprisingly comfortable. It's got a thick piece of memory foam at the bottom, surrounded by a large body pillow type structure here, and then you wrap it all up in this soft velvet fabric. It really offers a surprising amount of comfort and support considering that it is so low to the ground. It's great for a kid's room, a game room. Only downside is that it's a little bit difficult to put together. You're gonna need a friend to help you, and it could take about 20 minutes. But the cover is machine washable, so you can always keep it clean. This is probably how Freddie feels all the time, just resting in the lap of luxury. I'm a little envious.